Hi, smart friends. Today we are going to be learning about different number partners for the number 10. Pause this video and go get some manipulatives so you can practice with me.
We are going to be finding different ways to make 10. So today I've decided to use a tens frame. I know this is a tens frame because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes on top and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes on the bottom. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 little areas all together. I didn't have a tens frame at home, so I decided to draw one. I drew one on a dry erase board, and you could draw that on a piece of paper or on a dry erase board or anything that you'd like to. All that I needed to do was I drew a rectangle. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. I drew a line down the middle, and then I had to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 more lines to make sure that it's divided. Now, the manipulative I'm going to use today are little spiders. I only need 10 spiders because today I am working on ways to make 10. So whatever numbers I put here, I always want to make sure that they equal the number 10. I'm just going to start with 1 spider on the tens frame. So how many spiders do I have there? I have 1. And now in this area, we're going to see how many more spiders we would need to fill up our tens frame. So we already have 1. I don't need to count that. I need to count the empty areas in our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I would need 9 more spiders to fill up our tens frame. So then that number would go here because we have 1 spider, and then we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We would need 9 more spiders to have 10 spiders in our tens frame. All right, I'm going to erase this and try another one. All right, my board is ready for the next number. We did the number 1, so now we're going to try what's after 1. Oh, it would be the number 2. So let me put 1 spider, 2 spiders. Okay, I have 2 spiders on my tens frame, and that number is going to go first. And now I'm going to see how many more spiders I would need to make 10. So we're going to find the number partner for the number 2 for them to equal the number 10. Okay, we have 2. Should I count those again and count everything, or just count the empty spaces on the tens frame? Okay, I'm just going to count the empty spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 empty spaces on the tens frame. So we have 2 spiders on our tens frame. We would need to add 8 more to equal 10 spiders all together. So we have 2 spiders, 1, 2, and we need 8 more spiders to have 10 spiders all together. So that would make 2 and 8 number partners for the number 10. I did the number 1, I did the number 2, so now I should try the number 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 spiders on my tens frame. And let's see how many more I would need to have 10 spiders, or to have our tens frame full. So we're going to find the number partner for the number 3. So I'm counting just the empty spaces on our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would need 7 more spiders to fill up our tens frame. So we already have 3, and there are 7 empty spaces. So if those were all full, that would equal the number 10. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. So that would make 3 and 7 number partners for the number 10. Okay, I already did 1 and 2 and 3. So now it's time to work on the number 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 spiders in our tens frame. How many more spiders would I need to make sure that there's a spider in every spot on our tens frame? Let me count and see how many I would need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I already have 4 spiders I would need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would need 6 more spiders to have 10 spiders on our tens frame. So that means 4 and 6 are number partners for the number 10. Okay, we've already done the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, the number 4. Which number is next? Okay, the number 5. So I need 5 spiders on our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 spiders on our tens frame. Wow, and look at that. The whole top row of our tens frame is full. And I think that means that there would be an equal amount needed on the bottom. So how many more spiders would I need to fill up our tens frame? I have 5 and I would need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. I would need 5 more spiders. 5 adding 5 more would equal 10. So 5 and 5 are number partners for the number 10. So we've already done the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, the number 4, the number 5. What number would be next? Oh, the number 6. Do you notice that I'm always starting by putting my spiders on the top and I'm making sure there are no spaces on my tens frame? If there were spaces in between my spiders, it could become a little tricky. Okay, so I'm adding 6 spiders on my tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sometimes I like to check my work and make sure I put the right amount by counting them again. So I have 6 spiders on my tens frame. How many more do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I would need 4 more spiders to have my tens frame full. So I have 6 spiders and then I'm going to add 4 more spiders and that will give me 10 spiders altogether. Wow, these number partners seem familiar. I think the last time we did that and had these number partners 6 and 4, the 4 was here and the 6 was here. We've done the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, the number 4, the number 5, the number 6. So it's time to try the number 7. I'm going to put 7 spiders on our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 spiders on our tens frame. How many more spiders would we need to have 10 spiders all together? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 empty spaces left on our tens frame, so we would need 3 more. So we have 7 spiders. We need to add 3 more to have 10 spiders all together. This is really neat because I remember having 7 and 3 as number partners earlier, but they were switched. They were in different places. So I'm learning that it doesn't matter if the 7 is first or the 3 is first. It would still equal 10. We have done this for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now it's time for us to put how many spiders on the board? 8 spiders on our tens frame on our dry erase board. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 spiders on our tens frame. How many more would we need to make 10? Wow, I bet so many friends were able to subitize. They didn't even need to count. They know that that's 2. I'll count to double check. 1, 2. You're right, it is the number 2. So we have 8 spiders. We need to add 2 more to have 10 spiders all together. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And these number partners, it doesn't matter what order they're in, when 8 and 2 are together, they make 10. Let's see what number would be next. We've used the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number is next? The number 9. I need to put 9 spiders on our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, get in your little area, spider. There are 9 spiders on the tens frame. How many more would we need to make 10? We would need just one more to make 10. We have 9 spiders. We would need to add one more spider to have 10 spiders all together. We've been practicing making number partners for the number 10, and we have already used the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number would be next? The number 10. Oh, I'm excited for this. So I'm going to put 10 spiders on our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, let me count again to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 spiders on our tens frame. So if I have 10 spiders on the tens frame, I don't know what number would go here. I can't leave it blank. Could I say that I'm going to add 2 more? No, because I just want to see how many can fit in the tens frame. So if I already have 10 spiders, how many would I need to add to equal 10? Well, if I don't need any more, that number is the number 0. I have 10 spiders on my tens frame, and I need 0 spiders more to have 10 spiders all together. So 10 and 0 are number partners. Smart friends, thank you so much for using little spiders and our tens frame to find different ways that we could make the number 10. You are so smart and so hardworking. Bye, smart friends.